How to view your old stories on Facebook. Well, to view old stories on Facebook, you must have the story archive feature enabled. Now, if you have enabled it, you'll be able to easily access it. Simply open up Facebook, and once you open up Facebook, you want to navigate to your profile. Once you navigate to your profile, what you want to do next is you want to tap on the three dots menu. Now here, generally, if you tap on three dots at the top right, you'll be headed into profile settings, as you can see. So once under profile settings, you want to head into the activity log option, as you can see. Once you tap on activity log here, now tap on archive, and once under archive, you'll find the stories archive or story archive section. You can tap on it, and now you'll be able to view all your story archive. Now if you haven't enabled it and you don't find it any of your old archive, then unfortunately there is no way of viewing it. However, what you can do is you can tap on settings at the top right, and you can see save stories to archive. You want to enable that, and from now onwards, any stories that you upload and you delete, it'll be saved onto your archive. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.